Hey you guys, it's recording. What are we watching? Something on YouTube. I can't see what it is.
Her name's Nicole.
There's a glare. Here, you can have this. I don't want it. There.
Go cook our pancakes, woman.
I am cooking your pancakes. It's not as easy as it looks.
What if I just dropped this in here?
She'd be mad. I would be angry.
She'd be like, P-worded. P-worded? I thought this was too big for it. Like,
It is that way.
yeah, this way.
Biscuit. Biscuit.
Biscuit. Real pancakes, real good.
I
They
messed
don't
that
look-
pancake up, you guys. You're eating it.
Yeah.
I had to get rock your body, your body, rock your body. I messed that one up too, you guys.
Marissa's watching a weird video.
Body, rock your body, rock your body.
You can't really see it.
That is bad. Come look at them. They got beards. Come look at my attempt. No, you can bring the phone with you. Come look at my attempt to making pancakes.
Oh my.
Isn't that horrible, you guys? Isn't it bad, you guys? Look at it.
You have to let those bubbles in these.
I did.
Like a lot of them. And then you flip it.
The side wasn't done all the way.
That looks horrible. So does that. You're not very good.
I know.
Look at the spatula. Look at all that stuff on it.
Do you
Oi.
think it's okay to flip these?
No, not yet.
Rock your body, your body.
Here, Marissa.
I.
They look horrible. How long is it going to take you to make those?
I don't know. I didn't know how to make them in the first place, Marissa.
You should have told me that then.
I did.
No, you didn't.
You wouldn't have listened.
You're lying. No, you never told us.
Something is burning.
Oh no.
This song makes me happy.
Those pancakes are horrid. I can already tell. Let's go see. Oh my!
This one's done. Think.
No.
They smell good. They don't look
Come
good.
look at them.
Yeah, come look at them, Marissa. I don't feel like it.
Should I cook the next batch?
Yes, you can do that.
Why'd you put them so close to the edge?
Because that was the only place I could think to put them.